Good morning and welcome to Robinhood Dividends, the During the Day series, where I show you some of the highlights from earlier today when the market was open. So let's see how the portfolio is doing today. Hey, good morning. We're off to a pretty good start so far, up about 1840, just a little after 9:30. I just wanted to go through some of the notifications this morning before I really get started. Hey, look at that, we're almost up 20. XOM paid a dividend of 77 cents per share, and I was credited $8.47. That was one of the better ones I've gotten. MPC also paid a dividend of 40 cents. Maine will pay a dividend of 19 cents per share on September 15th, as will Hershey for 66 cents, as will Key for 10 cents, as will Stag for 12 cents, as will K for 54 cents a share. O will pay for 21 cents. RGC will pay for 22 cents. LZB will pay for 11 cents. And there you go. It's just looking pretty good. A lot of dividends coming in the near future. Look at that. We're up over 20. Oh, now we're back down. That's going to be how that goes for a little while. A lot of that has to do with the back and forth going on with Equifax right now. If you'd watched a previous video of mine, you know that I had jumped in when it dropped about 13%, and it's dropped actually about 20% overall, so it's coming back already. My plan is to probably sell off after about that 20% profit, maybe a little more. We'll see how it plays out, but I feel like it'll come back. I don't know why it wouldn't. Other than that, just kind of sitting on MDU, waiting for the ex-dividend date. Same with MPW, HPQ, and Coca-Cola is a fun one. It's actually up a little over $9 right now, and I'm hoping that'll play out even past the dividend date, and maybe we can not only get out of the dividend, but maybe like $10 in profit on top of that. As far as GM's concerned, I'm just kind of sitting on it right now, waiting for it to come back. It's actually almost back to even at this point. I think I might actually hold it for a little bit of a longer term, try and gain a little more profit, but we'll have to see how it plays out. I believe that's about it for now. Look at that, I'm up about $22 so far in the first 4 minutes of the day. Check back with you in a bit. Hey, it's a little after 12:30. Just wanted to show you what was going on. Up above $32 at this point. That can be mostly credited to Equifax coming back. It's just down $5 from my average at this point. So it's getting there. I'd actually averaged down a few. I believe when I last showed I only had 4 shares. So I basically doubled the amount of shares. Dropped my average cost from I believe like 117 to 116. And part of that, as you can see, is from AMD as well. I bought down in at 12.33. It's up at 12.45 at this point, so I'm up over $4. The one thing I just wanted to note is that with Equifax and the big drop that had happened, did out the math. If it comes back up to about 142 or so, I'll be looking at about $200 in profit just from that. So that'll help the portfolio along quite a lot. And as you can see, Coca-Cola is still doing well. It was actually up, and it might hit it again. I was up almost $11 on that as well. Other than that, that's about it. See you in a bit. Hey, so we're about a half an hour past the close of market and after hours trading at this point. Finished the day up 26.75, currently $1.79 in after hours. Still another about hour and a half before after hours closes. Just wanted to let you know how it's going. Let's see here. So OMI down about $3. Hopefully that'll come back as the dividend gets paid out. EFTX, actually, I just noticed this myself. I'm actually up 68 cents on it, so that's pretty fantastic. Again, my average is 16.22, so we're already in the process of making profit. have every intention of seeing it through till about 140. I really think it'll go, at least come back. I don't see why it wouldn't. So that's my intention. Again, the data breach was quite a big deal, but they're a decent company with a stock over $100, so I see no reason for it not to come back. And that'll actually fix probably the majority of the issues I have with my portfolio just within this one trade. So I'm pretty excited. Hopefully that goes the way I intend it to. Unfortunately, MDU did drop quite a bit today. I'm down almost $12. The dividend's coming out. I'm kind of surprised that it did go down with the dividend coming out to what would be tomorrow. So we'll have to see how that goes. Coca-Cola still not disappointing. Even after the ex-dividend, I may hold it for a little bit. Just curious to see where it goes. It's done nothing really other than go up consistently over the past 5 years. It's had a little dip here and there, but it's gone on its way up. If it doesn't really do anything but that, I might hold on to it a little bit longer, see if it maybe can't reach like 47, 48, and see how that plays out. I did pick up AMD today, finished a little lower than where I jumped in at, but it was higher at one point today. It seems to be that it caps out at about 1260. I think that's about where I'll put the sell price. Won't be a lot, but I'll take a couple dollars in profit. GE, I was able to average down a little bit today, not a lot. Still down about $11, but that is what it is. I'll probably check in one more time around 6 o'clock when after hours trading's done, and we'll see how we're turning out. We're already up probably 30 cents from when I started this portion of the video. See you in a bit. Hey, so it's the end of the day, a little after 6 o'clock. Not a whole lot has changed. Basically, obviously, the end of the day total is about 26. And it looks like after hours is still trying to figure it out, whether it wants to be positive or negative. Up 34 cents right now. Other than that, OMI down a little bit. The EFX has come back quite a ways. I mean, I was down, probably $20 this morning, so it's made a bit of a comeback. I've also averaged down on it, so that helps quite a bit in the overall price. Still see it eventually heading to the point where maybe I can see $200 in profit with it. So we'll have to wait and see. That is still the intent. MDU still down more than I would like it to be. And Coca-Cola, it's got no end in sight. It just keeps going up. AMD will hopefully turn around a little bit. Apparently bought it a little higher than I should have this morning, but I'll see it through till a profit. And GE's gotten a little better. I mean, it's been probably negative about 11 or 12 for the most part, so at least we're down to single dollar digits. Other than that, I believe that's about all there is worth talking about. Till next time. So with that, I'll end the video here. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. If you really liked it, go ahead and share. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe. If you haven't seen my latest video, check it out right there, or one of my other videos over here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.